Hello kids! Good morning! Welcome to Teacher Claire Online Tutorial! How are you today kids? That's great! Our lesson for today is all about multiplication table from 1 to 10. Are you ready? Come on! Let's begin with multiplication table of 1. 1 times 1 equals 1. 1 times 2 equals 2. 1 times 3 equals 3. 1 times 4 equals 4. 1 times 5 equals 5. 1 times 6 equals 6. 1 times 7 equals 7. 1 times 8 equals 8. 1 times 9 equals 9. 1 times 10 equals 10. Very good! Now, let's go to multiplication table of 2. 2 times 1 equals 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. 2 times 3 equals 6. 2 times 4 equals 8. 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 6 equals 12. 2 times 7 equals 14. 2 times 8 equals 16. 2 times 9 equals 18. 2 times 10 equals 20. Great job! Now let's go to the multiplication table of 3. 3 times 1 equals 3. 3 times 2 equals 6. 3 times 3 equals 9. 3 times 4 equals 12. 3 times 5 equals 15. 3 times 6 equals 18. 3 times 7 equals 21. 3 times 8 equals 24. 3 times 9 equals 27. 3 times 10 equals 30. Great job! And now, let's go to the multiplication table of 4. 4 times 1 equals 4. 4 times 2 equals 8. 4 times 3 equals 12. 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times 5 equals 20. 4 times 6 equals 24. 4 times 7 equals 28. 4 times 8 equals 32. 4 times 9 equals 36. 4 times 10 equals 40. Good job! And now, we are going to the multiplication table of 5. Are you ready, kids? 5 times 1 equals 5. 5 times 2 equals 10. 5 times 3 equals 15. 5 times 4 equals 20. 5 times 5 equals 25. 5 times 6 equals 30. 5 times 7 equals 35. 5 times 8 equals 40. 5 times 9 equals 45. 5 times 10 equals 50. Great job! And now, we are going to multiplication table of 6. Come on, kids. 6 times 1 equals 6. 6 times 2 equals 12. 6 times 3 equals 18. 6 times 4 equals 24. 6 times 5 equals 30. 6 times 6 equals 36. 6 times 7 equals 42. 6 times 8 equals 48. 6 times 9 equals 54. 6 times 10 is equals to 60. Very good, kids! And now, we are going to the multiplication table of 7. Let's begin. 7 times 1 equals 7. 7 times 2 equals 14. 7 times 3 equals 21. 7 times 4 equals 28. 7 times 5 equals 35. 7 times 6 equals 42. 7 times 7 equals 49. 7 times 8 equals 56. 7 times 9 equals 63. 7 times 10 is equals to 70. Good job, kids! And now, we are going to the multiplication table of 8. Let's start. 8 times 1 equals 8. 8 times 2 equals 16. 8 times 3 equals 24. 8 times 4 is equals to 32. 8 times 5 is equals to 40. 8 times 6 is equals to 48. 8 times 7 is equals to 56. 8 times 8 is equals to 64. 8 times 9 is equals to 72. 8 times 10 is equals to 80. Good job, kids! Now, we are in the multiplication table of 9. 9 times 1 equals 9. 9 times 2 equals 18. 9 times 3 equals 27. 9 times 4 equals 36. 9 times 5 equals 45. 9 times 6 equals 54. 9 times 7 equals 63. 9 times 8 equals 72. 9 times 9 equals 81. 9 times 10 is equals to 90. Good job, kids! Now, we are in the multiplication table of 10. Let's begin. 10 times 1 equals 10. 10 times 2 equals 20. 10 times 3 equals 30. 10 times 4 is equals to 40. 10 times 5 is equals to 50. 10 times 6 is equals to 60. 10 times 7 is equals to 70. 10 times 8 is equals to 80. 10 times 9 is equals to 90. 10 times 10 is equals to 100. Good job, kids! Very good! Thank you for watching our videos multiplication 1 to 10. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to your friends our lesson for today. Again, this is Teacher Claire. Thank you for watching Teacher Claire Online Tutorial. See you again next lesson, kids. Bye!